if you're running a call center and you're thinking about agentic AI, there's a few critical things that you should be thinking about as you make this decision, as you go down this journey of agentifying your contact center. First and foremost, what does this mean for the end customer experience? Is it going to seem like there's many pieces that are stuck together, or is it going to seem coherent? What are those handoffs? What are those escalation points? And how natural does it seem? Is the new system going to be significantly better than the current one? Or is it going to be perceived as an incremental benefit to the previous one? The reason it's important to adopt technology that is monumentally different than the current system is because that's an opportunity for every person calling into these contact centers to give it another shot. We've all been annoyed by the IVR systems of the past. We all yell agent, we all press 0. And so if you choose a partner that is incrementally better, it will be natural for a user or a member or a patient calling in to assume it's the same and yell agent or press 0. But if it sounds modernized, if it sounds significantly better, then you're going to get another chance at actually containing that member in the agentic experience and not needing to escalate to a human. The third one, which comes from our experience as consumers, is actually not making it hard for the person calling in to get to a human. If someone ever says, I want to talk to a person, it is our belief at Infinitus that we should always enable that, because that's a moment when you can establish trust. And there's some vendors that philosophically agree with that, and others that philosophically disagree with that. And that's a very important decision point. And the last thing that you should look for is how deeply integrated can their system be with yours. This comes a deep integration on the telephony side, a deep integration on something as small as the phone number. Is it your phone number or is it their phone number? Because you might use that vendor for a campaign, a 6-month period, 5-year period, but if at some point you stop using that vendor, that phone number is going to be out in the ether. If people call that phone number, it should still be a seamless experience. So where is the boundary of ownership between you and your vendor, and how does that actually play out in production? It's easy to build a demo in isolation, but what does it look like in a production environment?